long E patterns in accented syllables. This sort includes the short E spelled as EA, as in feather, as well as the long sound spelled the exact same way. So we have to be careful. Make sure you pay attention to the sound of the vowel along with where the stressed sound is. So it's in the first or the second syllable. Notice by our column headings, first long, first short, second long. I'm going to start with this first short to point out that if the stressed sound is in the second syllable, it's automatically going to be long within this pattern that we're looking at. You have, because the only ones with the short are first syllable stressed. Feather, leather, heavy, pleasant, sweater, steady, and healthy. All of them have that eh sound in the first syllable. Let's look at the first long. You have needle, season. Notice that season is EA, just like feather is, but it has a long E sound. Feature, freedom, meaning, eastern, and people. Our second syllables with long sounds. Secede, increase, compete, defeat, indeed, extreme, 15, 13, and repeat. Long E, and here's the short E words that you need to learn that kind of don't fit this pattern, but we want to focus because there's so many of them. Here I looked at the spelling patterns. Again, I wanted to start with the EA and those short E words. Feather, leather, heavy, pleasant, sweater, steady, and healthy. Now I want to come back to the EE words. Needle, secede, 15, 13, indeed, and freedom. These ones all have EE, whether it be in the first or the second syllable it's accented. EA words with a long E. Season, defeat, repeat, meaning, eastern, reader, increase, feature. These ones are E, consonant, E, which is that E that's supposed to make the vowel sound long. There's only two of them, compete and extreme. And we have an oddball of people. It's EO, so it's two vowels, and usually two vowels, the first one says its name. It's just oddball because it's the only one that's EO. The other ones are EA and EE.